So with that, I want us to take an example. With that, I want us to take an example from our books. Example. So our example is from KLB. Our example is from KLB, probability. So the example I want us to take is this. A basket contains 5 red balls. A basket contains 5 red balls, 4 green balls, and 3 blue balls, If a ball is picked at random, find A, the probability of picking a blue ball. The probability of picking a blue ball, and B, find the probability of not picking a red ball. The probability of not picking a red ball. So with that, we can try that together and see what is happening. Now, from this, we have the probability, a basket contains 5 red balls, so we can write that 5 red balls. This basket also contains 4 green balls. This basket also contains 3 blue balls. So the first thing that we have to do here, learners, is that we get the total number of balls. So total number of balls in this case will be 5 plus 4, which is 9. We can say 5 plus 4, which is 9, plus 3, giving us what we call 12 balls. So that is the total number of balls. So find the probability of picking a blue ball. We have said that the probability of any event is given by the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. So the outcome that favors us here, in this case, number 1, is blue ball. So we will say, therefore, the probability of a blue ball can be given by the number of blue balls. In this case, there are 3. And the total number of balls we are picking from are 12. So therefore, the probability of picking a blue ball is 3 over 12. Now, we agreed these are fractions, so we can simplify further and say that if you divide 3 by 12, this translates to a quarter. So this becomes the probability of picking a blue ball. Otherwise, for part B, we are asked that find the probability of not picking a red ball. So to pick a red balls are 5. So not picking a red ball means you are picking from green balls, which are 4, plus you are also picking from blue balls, which are 3. So your favorable outcome here is only 7 the balls you can pick are only 7 because these balls are either green or blue balls because we are saying we don't want to pick a red ball. So therefore, our probability of not picking a red ball will be the probability of picking all the other balls out of the total number of outcomes, which are 12 balls like that. Now, we can also say that, or, and I want us to be very keen when we are talking of that or, because it normally helps, especially where you are dealing with a very long question and you are expected to deal a number of things. Or you can say that the probability, now this is correct. We can simply say at this point we are okay, we are also okay. But we can go ahead and redo number B by saying or. The probability of not picking a red ball can simply be given by the probability of 1, which means picking everything. So this is the probability of everything minus the probability of picking a red ball minus the probability of picking a red ball. Now, in the first instance now, the probability of picking everything, this is a certain probability. Once you dip your hand in the basket, you must pick a ball. So that is certain. And when we were starting this topic, we say that certain events, their probability is 1. So that probability will be 1. And probability of picking a red ball in this case would be 5 out of 12. So the probability of not picking a red ball can be the certainty of picking everything minus the probability of picking a red ball, giving us 7 over 12 in that case. So normally we can also work with that order.